Who's working on the weekend?
We are, attorneys Alexander and Catalano.
Call right now if you need help.
Oh yeah, thanks for the coffee.
The heavy hitters are all you need. Call 1-800-LAW-1333.
How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us on CNY Central. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Mike Brookins. A nice turnaround from Friday to Saturday. From snow in many areas, south and southeast of Syracuse, over to sunshine. Really helped our temperatures as well, that sunshine, making a nice rebound from below average to above average. Now I think we've almost hit our pinnacle, our peak of niceness. Sunday not that shabby either, but we're going to lose a little bit of the sunshine. As you can see here on our sunshine forecast, about 40% of available. It's going to be a partly sunny day. And probably the brightest out of the next three. As you can see, it becomes mostly cloudy on Monday and Tuesday, and that's when we also see our next chance for rain here in central New York. As far as snowfall, let's talk about that for the season. We've only seen a trace yesterday in Syracuse. However, the hills in Madison, Shenango, Otsego, southern Oneida County picked up 1 to as much as 5 or even 6 inches of wet, slushy snow. Lower elevations like Syracuse just got a rain-snow mix. We're now 2.5 inches below average, so it's about time when we do finally see some snow coming in here. And I know the winter enthusiasts are saying, come on, Brookins, let's bring on the snow. When's it going to be coming back? And we've got a little in our 7-day forecast. Probably not enough to do any skiing, though. 37 the low, 56 the high, both those numbers above average. In fact, the high, 6 degrees above average. Normally we're around 50 degrees. For the overnight, we stay above average. We'll drop quickly this evening, and then a few high thin clouds come in late. Winds pick up out of the south-southeast, so it should shoot the temperature back up from the 30s to near 40 degrees. And that temperature climbs even higher than what it did today. On Sunday, a good 5 to 10 degrees warmer, almost 15 degrees above average. It'll be a very mild day with skies becoming mostly cloudy and the winds picking up as well. So we're trading in the sunshine and the calmer conditions for those milder temperatures. But we stay dry at least during the day. At night, things could change, maybe a spotty hit or miss shower and a better chance for some scattered showers, especially late on Monday. Here's the satellite radar, and high pressures off to our southeast on the east coast and delivering dry conditions for all of the Empire State. Just a few high thin clouds around, especially to the far north country, and then coming in from the west. But these clouds are going to run into the dry air that we have in place and likely thin on out. We'll see some of those coming in late at night, and then still some dim or filtered sunshine through the day on Sunday before the thicker clouds come in that bring in some rain. Really, out to the west, very little, if anything, as far as rainfall at this point. So we'll watch for deteriorating conditions over the weekend. Milder temperatures, though, that wind coming in out of the south-southeast coupled with the high thin clouds, helping the temperature go up. Really no weather problems for Sunday during the day. Just that increasing cloud going from sun and clouds to mostly cloudy by the finish. And with the warm front going through, milder, warmer temperatures into the lower 60s. There's the rain showers out to the west. Isolated showers will move in Sunday night and through most of Monday, very isolated. It's not until late Monday as this cold front gets near that we'll find a better chance for numerous rain showers. Here's the warmth. Not only will we see it Sunday, but also likely Monday. Highs anywhere from 60 to 61, 62, or even 63 degrees in some spots. So above average temperatures. For the overnight, we'll look for quiet conditions, just some clouds increasing, mainly high and thin variety, so no chance for any precipitation. And our low temperature happening in the middle of the overnight, 3 a.m., and then temperatures actually start to climb late at night. And they continue to climb during the day Sunday with winds out of the south. It becomes breezy by midday. A mixture of sunshine and clouds in the morning, then increasing thickening clouds in the afternoon. 62 our high, still in the lower 60s come Monday. Here's the 7-day forecast. On Monday, though, isolated showers pick up to more numerous rain late day. Chance for rain showers on Tuesday, especially late day. And then we turn cooler later in the week. Maybe some rain, snow showers around on Thursday. Have a great night.